So to replace this analog clock to the IWC version of the clock, we need to remove this whole trim. And to do that, we first have to remove this piece. And if you, like me, have switches here, you just unplug them. Otherwise, you just take this off. Like that. Now we just lift this up like this and just unplug it. As you can see, it's sitting right here. So this clock just sits with 4 clips, one in each corner. I'll just click that out, and here's the watch. So now when we have this beautiful IWC watch with the yellow features, this has to go. So I got some matching faces with 260 kilometers per hour instead of miles per hour with yellow features. So let's install that. So just take a pry tool here to take this out. Then you take out these 2 screws down here, 2 Torx screws. Now we disconnect this cable. The head-up display connector. And it's out. So here are the new faces with the yellow details in kilometers per hour. So let's install these. Couple of Torx 9 in the rear here. And now you have a little lock spring here. You push that down and you twist them off. So I'm pushing it down here and twist it off like that. Now to remove the needles, you twist it against the clock, not clockwise. You twist and pull, like that. Now you just peel off the old ones. They are glued in place. Just like that. Anyone want this? Don't think so. Now we add the new one. And the rings only fit in one way. You have one tap that is bigger than the others, and that one goes in here. Just like that. Almost forgot this one. There we go, and we have a matching pair. So we have kilometers per hour, and we have the park brake symbol instead of the letters park, which they have in the USA. And we have that matching carbon fiber, which I also added here now. I really love the mix of the carbon and this elegant wood. And you really help me out if you hit that subscribe and that like button so I can continue this channel with the content I give you. Until next time, see you.